inside the rigorous world of U.S. Air Force training. When you think of the United States Air Force, you probably picture roaring fighter jets slicing through the sky or precision-guided missions that seem almost impossible to the average person. But behind every incredible mission, every heroic act, and every flawless maneuver, there is one key element: training. U.S. Air Force training is among the toughest and most advanced in the world, designed to produce not just pilots, but elite airmen who are mentally, physically, and emotionally prepared to defend their nation. Let's dive deep into the intense journey these heroes take. 1. The first step. Basic military training, BMT. Every enlisted airman starts their journey at Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio, Texas, often referred to as the gateway to the Air Force. Duration: 7.5 weeks. Focus areas: physical fitness, military customs and courtesies, combat skills, weapon handling, leadership development, discipline and teamwork. This is no ordinary boot camp. Recruits are pushed to their limits, learning the core values of the Air Force: integrity first, service before self, and excellence in all we do. By the end, they don't just wear the uniform, they live it. 2. Technical training schools. After BMT, airmen move on to technical training, where they specialize in the career field they've been assigned. Whether it's aircraft maintenance, cybersecurity, intelligence analysis, medical services, or piloting drones, each airman receives intensive, career-focused education. Duration varies, can be from a few weeks to over a year. Locations: various Air Force bases across the U.S., such as Shepherd AFB, Texas, Keesler AFB, Mississippi, and Goodfellow AFB, Texas. Here, knowledge becomes power. Every technical detail could mean the difference between mission success and failure. 3. Officer Training School, OTS. For those entering as commissioned officers, there's a separate, equally grueling path: Officer Training School at Maxwell Air Force Base, Alabama. Duration: 8 to 9.5 weeks. Training focus: leadership under pressure, strategic planning, ethical decision-making, small unit tactics. OTS molds individuals into leaders who can command respect, make critical decisions, and represent the U.S. Air Force's highest ideals. 4. Specialized and elite training. For specialized roles, the training ramps up to extreme levels. Combat controllers and para-rescue jumpers, PJs, endure some of the toughest physical and mental tests on the planet. SERE training: survival, evasion, resistance, and escape, prepares airmen for survival in hostile environments if captured. Pilot training at places like Columbus Air Force Base is a grueling 52-week program to turn cadets into world-class aviators. Graduating from these programs is a badge of honor few achieve. 5. Continuous learning and readiness. Air Force training never really ends. Even after initial schools, airmen continually participate in exercises simulating real combat, updates, certifications for new technologies, hone their skills with live fire drills and mission rehearsals, undergo leadership development courses as they rise in rank. This non-stop commitment ensures the U.S. Air Force stays years ahead of potential adversaries. 6. Mental and emotional toughness. Beyond physical skills, Air Force training places heavy emphasis on mental resilience, stress management, decision-making under pressure. Why? Because airmen often operate in high-stress, life or death situations where hesitation can cost lives. Their training transforms fear into focus, chaos into control. Final thoughts. Training in the U.S. Air Force is not just about learning to fight. It's about building character, honing excellence, and preparing warriors for a rapidly evolving battlefield. Whether it's flying at Mach speeds, coordinating massive relief missions, or operating stealthily behind enemy lines, Every airman is part of a finely tuned force ready to meet any challenge. The sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning.